Hey, what is on guys? Cloud here. And I am back again with another video for you guys. Low-key, I might try to do daily uploading or like almost daily uploading. Something that I might give it a go because I do want to upload more often because I'm at home so often. And it's a lot of content I can make if I really try to. So maybe daily uploads, I don't know. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Supreme FW20 Backpack. I don't know why I blinked on that, kind of strange, but yeah, I'm gonna unbox this thing. Also, quick interruption, apparently 80% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, and I'm really trying to hit 5K subscribers right now to do a little celebration for all that stuff. So please hit the subscribe button. I'm like so close, so please hit it. And then on my second channel, I do plan on doing a more review type video on this thing, so look out for that. So yeah, just gonna rip it open and see what we got. Hopefully get a pair of gloves and hopefully get some stickers with it, since I am ordering this from the week 1 drop. So hopefully I get the nice stickers and some gloves. Okay, so I got it open right here. Let's take it. Oh wait, we got the gloves right there. Pretty nice. These Supreme rubber gloves right here. Actually looks like pretty decent quality gloves. Aren't the super like really thin, like one-time use ones. These looks like sort of reusable, so that's really nice. Damn it, we didn't get any special box logo stickers. We only got the normal box, the red box logo sticker, the photo tee, what's his name? Pharaoh Sanders, I believe. And then we got the Stay Positive design, as you guys can see right there. So, not the best stickers, but hey, it's free, it's not bad. And then we got the backpack right here, and I am gonna unbox this backpack because I do want to do a review on it. Actually, oh, it already comes open, so that's nice. We don't have to like rip open the bag. But here we go, here's the backpack. Pretty heavy for some reason, like it's hefty. So let me open it up and see like what's it about. So here's the backpack, really nice backpack. There's like some sort of backing on the back right here. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like kind of stiff. Like the back of it is like pretty stiff. There's like a board or something in it. And I believe you can't take that out because there's no zipper for it. It has a lot of it does have a lot of pockets. Supreme backpacks are actually really nice quality because they are made of Cordura fabric, so that's like a really nice brand of fabric. So their stuff is gonna be really good quality. If you guys didn't know that about Supreme stuff, is the quality is actually really good on Supreme. There's a pocket on the top, there's a small pocket, laptop sleeve, inside just one big, like the main storage, another pocket up here, another pocket in front of the main pocket, and then there are these like little straps right here. They can like strap stuff in if you need them. They do say Supreme on them, which is really dope. And then water bottle holders on both sides. So yeah, that's the Supreme FW20 backpack. In my opinion, one of the better backpacks they've made in the last few seasons. That is why I picked it up as sort of personal. I might end up using this thing and then maybe sell it down the line when I don't need it anymore because it is good stuff. Supreme backpacks are really nice quality. Kinda expensive though, but like, I think you do get what you pay for. And that is all for this video, just a short unboxing video. I'll try to do a more in-depth review of it once I get used to the backpack and everything. I'll make like a review of it, put it on my second channel for those of you guys that want like a review to see how big it is. Look out for it in the next like 5 days maybe. I'm trying to upload more often on my second channel. Right now I'm doing 1 day a week every Wednesday, but maybe I might get a video up Saturday because I do want to try to upload 2 videos a week on my second channel. But that's it for this video, so leave in the comments down below what packages have you guys received from Supreme from the week 1 drop. This is the only one I got so far. I got another one coming in tomorrow, so that's another video. But that's it for this one. So if you guys enjoyed the video, drop me a like down below. I appreciate all like you guys drop me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
I'm just a crash test. Guess I'm just a crash test. Guess I'm just a crash test. Guess I'm just a crash test. Girl,